Check 1 2. It is Wednesday, June 29th, 2022, and we had a pretty big slide down yesterday. And here we are in pre-market looking looking pretty red, but I think it might be a trap. I don't see a lot of fresh news. Everything's kind of sitting at support, and I think that there might be a move down for a trap and then a vicious move up, or else we're just going to chop. Nike on lows. That's 78.40, but I want to look at Nike. Yeah, Nike continuing the move down. And 102.10 against 102.60. I'm going to take that for small size. Amazon on highs. High day. NVIDIA on lows. Nike. Let's see if Nike will fill me. And AMD continuing lower. And it looks like I did get a partial fill on Nike to the short side here. Low a day is 72 cents. Nike popping up. Amazon on highs. Wonder if I'm going to get jammed here. Amazon on highs. AMD the 78.40. $79. 78.40 against 79. And then let's see what NVIDIA did. NVIDIA popped up to the 55.40s and then is heading back down 54. Let's set low a day there. And let's check back in with this Nike. Let me zoom in a little bit. Can this Nike get back down to lows? Let's see if we can. There's the 70s. I'm at 62. Ooh, I don't like the way that this thing is trading. Look how thin it is. I don't like that. Look how thin that thing is. Looks very jumpy. I don't think my NVIDIA short is valid anymore. NVIDIA on new lows. This Nike is making me nervous. Let's see if it comes in here. Got down to the 70s once. Here's NVIDIA on fresh lows. Let's look at AMD. There's NVIDIA, new lows. I do not like the way this Nike is trading. Straight back up into 102. I feel like this thing could jam at any moment. I'm thinking about cutting this thing if it doesn't go to lows right now. There's BABA on lows. If this thing can drop this 70 bid and start heading down, that's one thing. And there we go. There we go on Nike. Let's see what else we can get. Can we get a move down below 50 cents? Look at that 86, 87 sell. Let's see if they can step down. Let's see if they can crack those lows on Nike. But man, this thing's all over the place. Let's take a look at AMD. I'm up at 78.40s, but I don't think I'm gonna get that. And AMD already lower again. Same deal with Nvidia. Nvidia just ran into support here on the daily. So, and then going back to Nike, Nike's about to be on lows here. Let's see if I can get this drop down lower. And I'm down in the 40s, I think, for my next cover. Let's see if this Nike really starts getting sold. It's a second day play, so I do like the play. Just the volume doesn't appear to be there, and it's so full of algos, so spiky. Let's take a look at Baba. Baba really coming in. Big down move of Baba. This Nike's making me uneasy. Oh, wow, it just pulls right back up. I don't like that at all. I am ready to cut this whole thing on Nike. I do not like this action. Yeah, I do not like that. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the Nike. I don't like that action. I think that this thing could easily just spike up. I was looking for a failure right there, and we did not get it. So, and now look at it spiking up. That's exactly what I didn't want to sit through. There's Nike on the highs. Yeah, so Nike did a full reversal. Let me throw a marker in for that. I was really near the low of the day for that cover there. And now she's powering up to highs. And I wonder if this is where we get our big pop. Here's Nike. 104 high a day.